Hello, this is a quick video that's going to show you how to use the measure tool that we've just added to the NRDS web application. So we have our map right here, and to use the measure tool, I'm going to click on the right. I've got two tools. One is a length measurement tool. The other is an area measurement tool. So the length measurement tool, you click on it, then you click on the map, and it will measure the length for you as you go. Double click and you can get a pop-up with the total length. The area tool works much the same way. I can click this area measurement tool and I can draw the area around which I want to measure, and I can double click and it gives me the total area. So that's a quick overview of how to use the measurement tools that we've recently added to the NRDS web app. Thanks for watching.